What's up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got a double feature for you. We have the backrest for the passenger seat we're going to install, and I also picked up some more LEDs from this company that I used before, and we're going to put some lights on these arm hand grips here on the back of the Ryker so we can get more light, so this way I could try to avoid these constant rear ends I'm getting. So let's do it. To install a passenger seat, we need to remove these two screws there with the Torx. But I just want to show you something that I did a while back, and I'm not sure you can see. But underneath right here, I had put a screw in. And what I put the screw in for was to keep someone from me being able to push that button and take my passenger seat right out. So that's just a little pro tip for you guys. But let's get the screws out so we can start with the seat. That's off. Pop the button up. Seat comes up. Oh man, it's wet from the water. It was raining. These are the screws we're going to attach the backrest to. Holes line up perfectly. Comes with two Torx screws. Just gonna screw those in. Same 20. Passenger seat backrest from Can Am installed. I have these LED modules I picked up. I'm gonna attach them here because, as you already know, I have the back pretty much lit up. I have this LED bar from the same company, so I'm gonna prep everything, splice the wires, and run it through there. Okay, so I just heat shrunk the wires. Everything is wired up. So I got the modules, the light bar that was underneath. So I'm gonna start prepping so I could put them on and light them up. Alright, so I just finished adding some LEDs, LED modules, and let me hit the light and see what it looks like. That's it. That's all the lights that I'll be putting on this bike for now. I'm not gonna add any more lights after this, so thanks.